Hi there, I'm Michael Cohn from Advanced Tubular Technologies. I'm the lead developer for VTube-LASER and VTube-STEP software. And in today's video, what I'd like to show you is how to import a solid model into VTube-STEP and then import holes that are in the model itself. In this case, I'm showing holes in a flange that need to be qualified later on in VTube-LASER. Well, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to establish the nominal data for those holes using space object circles. So let's go ahead and get started. Go into collected features and then show the collect control. And now what we're going to do is spin down to cylinder drill surface, and we're going to associate these holes with a certain straight 1 in this case. I'll make this straight 1 later on. So let's go ahead and start selecting. I'm going to left click on the first inside of a hole I come to. I'm going to hold the shift key down, and then I'm going to add another hole, and another hole. Let go of the shift key and press right click on the mouse. Now what we're going to do is we're going to build these drill bit collections into drill bit bosses, which are constructed. So these are drill bit bosses that were intended to be used as hole drills. So for example, if you needed to drill a hole in an unbent tube, you could do that using these drill bit bosses. But in this case, we're going to use them in order to create circles. So I'm going to right click here, left click on create space object circles from drill bit bosses. And then we're going to look at the first hole. So this is selected here in this grid. I'm going to test build a circle, and I like where the circle is. I like which side of the drill bit boss it's on, and I like the normal, the green arrow. It's pointing in the correct direction. So I'm going to go ahead and commit that to the space object library. Let's go to the next drill bit boss. Zoom out a bit so you can see it. This one, test build, looks good. Save it to the space object library. Just repeat the process like this. There we go. Now we have 4 holes that have been imported. So at this point, we also need to qualify the tube shape. And so what I'm going to do is go back into collected, and I'm going to change my collect control so that it says straight from cylinder surface. And I'm going to select the 2 straights, and I want the inner wall, so I'm going to go back and select straight 2's inner wall as well. And I want it to come to the end of this form, so we're going to end trim from surface solid, and this is going to be associated with straight 2, so we're going to go ahead and do this. Now we can rebuild the parametrics. Now if you want to, you could go over into VTube-LASER if you have VTube-LASER, and you can see that we have a master part with 4 holes and also the tube ready for measurement. So that's how you import holes from a model around a tube inside VTube-STEP. If you have any questions about what you've seen in this video, please feel free to reach out to the team. Email us at support@advancedtubular.com. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day.